is placing this image, right, drag and drop, and just drag and drop into our command bar. Again, we can use the voice. We can move between the different version, fast or thinking. That takes a little bit extra time, but it's actually worth to spend a little bit of a moment. So what I'm trying to do now, I want to show you, if we have a base image, how far we can go with that. So in this process, Gemini is very, very useful. So I will go now into the prompt. So that's a very similar situation what we had before, but here we can also structure our prompts in very different ways, but it can work also as a command. So how I just want to show you in our process how we approach the Gemini. We try to extract. We want to start developing this one key image, and to get maybe additional views, etc. So that's how we taking a progress during the design. So I'm gonna create camera showing this building on this side here. Keep all original details and lightning. Show this from the human perspective. And what I need to do is I need to specify to Gemini, because if I'm gonna just hit the enter, it will give you analysis. So Gemini is also large language model. What I showed you, OpenAI, it's a very similar thing. So maybe you can compress, I just use one, because Gemini, it's a very similar thing to OpenAI and do pretty much similar thing. And it has incorporation with the Google. So if you use right now Google tools, I think it's a super smooth transition, and you will get all of these tools included. So that's why we're using that quite often. Now create the image, just need to hit that and submit. So now we're gonna put us into the chat. So how it works on the Gemini, it's more like a chat. So we try to kind of keep it as a bit of a conversation. So back and forth. Sometimes as well have a hiccup. So you need to also be aware that this AI softwares, they're not gonna get right away what you want, because as well the description needs to be like pretty clear. Sometimes they also have bugs and might take additional iterations. So sometimes we need to go back. Sometimes we open the new chat completely to reset all this information, and we start all over. But yeah, this is very cool. So what it did, this is the outcome. So what it did from this one, actually it really focused on that area, shows a bit of a background, and you can see like, yeah, it went slowly lower, and it showed us very accurately all the details, because I can really compare that the best. Let's bring this one to the board, so then we can see that a bit better. Just to see how effective that could be. So it really helped, really focused right here. It's something, yeah, I think it's very, very cool when it comes to Gemini and Nanobanana, and we can keep moving with this process. I want now those main entrance. I want to see a little bit more of these details. Okay, so it start to showing us exactly this sort of entrance, but Maybe I want to improve dots. For modern grass and glass. I want to kind of change that a little bit. And take it to the boards. Okay, it's cooking, so we need to give a bit of a time. Yes, but the brush didn't know it's gonna interpret it in this way. However, it did. So we have the brass and we have the glass, and that's pretty correct. So the editing as well, it becomes based on text. So there are the software as well that you could use that we're gonna have a Korea, so I can show you as well, which is a bit more intuitive, because for me as well, it's a bit sometimes odd to just write, but it did work. So if my description is quite well, you can really interact and you can change the particular elements on the scenes. Okay, so then I can even go further with this. I want to now jump to the other side. I want to see a little bit of more of the context. So as you can see from one base image, you could develop multiple different shots, and that is powerful because Nanobanana, it can really keep this consistency, and also it gives you an options to really turn that into a very good details and edit as well as you go. Okay, so this is pretty nice. We have some interiors. And actually, if we will go back to the base image, you could see that kind of area, which was translated. Very nice. I'll bring them on the board, just so then we can see the progress of it. And then what we can do is maybe we can go a little bit inside the interiors. With panoramic windows. So I want to show a little bit of maybe reverse. I want to open a little bit this interiors. I want to overlook them. So as you can see, it's really gonna keep the same style. So that's also like a big advantage. And now I'm just concentrating on the prompt for the interior. I'm gonna make windows. Maybe I want to overlook the outdoor. Should be in the modern style with soft suspension. And let's just see that. So while we are waiting for another creation, I can really just show you here the progress of this one base image. Which then it's make a close-up, a bit of the lower angle camera, then we get a close-up, then we edit. So you can do this edit and then we find two interiors. So I think as well I could just add a little bit of information. Just gonna get this an arrow. Have base image, then we have a different angle, and we have close-up. Then we have an edit. Then we have a camera. Just want to lay down the whole process, like how you could kind of use that and what is the order. Okay. So it's kind of linear and you can continue with this exploration. And yeah, let's take a look right here. It's very nice. Right, so create the interior view of this building. Show the living room with the panoramic windows. We have all of it. Overlooking outdoor. So they concentrate on our courtyard. Very accurately. You can even see the glimpse of the building which is behind. Living room should be in the modern style with a soft furniture. And then as well, I could even like write it a longer prompt to specify what kind of furniture do I want. You can bring a brand, you can insert something. I mean, there's a lot of like editing process as well. So I will take that report as well. And now I also want to show you, because this is the way how you could step by step develop and start to develop some particular elements of this project. So with one base image, you could develop almost like the whole kind of narrative around it. So Midjourney really helps with onboarding this creativity to give you like multiple different directions. That's actually very, very helpful. We still do that, but then we're kind of getting into some of the details to be a bit more accurate with this one. But also we use the Crea, which we are going to do. But how we can use, yeah, I'm going to cover that later on the Q&A session. Right, so even if you want to insert some of the furniture, I think there was just a question what we could quickly show that as well. Just gonna take a snapshot of one of the armchair. Okay, so what I just did right now, you're gonna see it here. I did a snapshot of the furniture. So whatever furniture that you like, and I will write it here. Place this. See. Keep all. I think it's inserts. Okay, so I want to insert this one right there. At the moment, I'm gonna just jump on the board right now, just to add to our process. Right, and now I want to show you. So what I did is like insert the furniture armchair, should put right here, but as you can see, place that really well and realistically. And I specify on the right side, actually I should put it on the left, but I put it on the right so it removed the sofa. So editing, it's very powerful right here, and any kind of this sort of work, as we know, it would take a lot of time, as you might remember, like just redoing the scene, or re-rendering the scene it's crazy amount of work or tedious work, which no one wants to do it. And now you can do it with the chat box. I'm gonna place that right on the. I'm gonna do it right here. So you just place that right here and you keep editing. And you keep adding. So I want to show you as well what other functionalities you could, or what other effects actually you could achieve with Nanobanana, which are very, very interesting and might be very useful for architects. But I'm going to start the new chats. Let's start the new chat because it's going to be fresh. I'm going to bring the same base image, going for this one. And now what I want to do is I want to give a command into our architectural exploded view with the annotation style. So I want to create exploded view. I want to see a little bit of more detail, or get an idea as well, a little bit about the structure. Oh, sorry. Thanks, Mihan. So what I did, I just placed the base image right into the box, and I wrote this command. So turn this image into architecture exploded view with annotation style, and take a look what you came up with. We have annotations, so it gives you even a bit of a structure. It shows you a little bit of the layouts. That's something definitely powerful. And to create this sort of things, or like annotation style, it was also very time consuming. I agree. And I'm gonna put it here. Hey, and we could explode even further into technical and style. So again, I'm gonna just jump on this one. Okay, let's see what we got is the technical style of this image. And what we also often do is we take in the base image and then we turn that into a cut work. So you have line converter, the cut converter, where you could do stuff like this. I'll have to find it, but just the base image will help you enough to achieve like this sort of line work. And there's a converter that can help you to take this base image line and convert that into AutoCAD's plan, if you like. So Nanobanana is actually very, very powerful and very helpful to architects, to interior design as well. Because if I would start this new chat, can do again the same base image. I could do even interior, etc., and I can show you as well. Okay, so what I want is to create the plan view of the circulated building and to show this is the technical layout plan and interior arrangement. So I want to see more details. Let's give it but a moment. Okay, I'm gonna build this tab. Annotations and exploded view. Okay, and then I should bring technical. Okay, so I want to show you now. As you can see, create a layout. So you went, it interprets basically this whole thing. Nanobanana start to really, this model, it becomes like more intelligent at the moment because it starts to understand the volume more and more, which is interesting and a bit scary, but it can really do it. So it adapt actually the volume to be something more realistic, because even on this one, as you can see, it's too thin. Wouldn't be that easy to create something a bit more realistic around it. However, now it took that step further, and you could turn that into the plan. I think that was like and I think it was the question about the 3D. So yes, there are also like I'm gonna show you as well in Korea that you can take this one and can start to turning that into 3D. Or often what we'll do, or maybe turn that because I just want to have, or even I can do it in Photoshop, but I just want a clean plan. So once I have like lines, we can convert them into the AutoCAD, and that's our base, and then we can just scale it or adapt the volume. So that gives a lot of like abilities to, yeah, you can see right here, this is almost ready planner with kind of like sections. All right, I'm gonna bring that on board too. This one as well. Presentation style. Okay, so here's the question: are you able to take this link to AutoCAD converting tool? Yes, I will include that at the end of the, I think at the end of the presentation when I'm gonna send all the materials. That's gonna be the best way. Right, I'm just gonna download this. Yes, because the time is like running out really quickly. I really want to summarize the Nanobanana as a very, very useful applications that will help you to develop and push further concepts that you have. You can enhance the rendering that you have. You can edit with Nanobanana, with Gemini. So I think the Google as well have a very, very strong now set of tools which are very, very helpful. So definitely I would say to use it.
you.